like a little pullback. I think maybe sometime in the first half of next week we could see like ES 5700 or 5680. At which point we probably find some support. Dollar moved back up a bit into the back half of the day and helped out that run a little bit. We saw yields at the top end of the curve start to move up again, and the 3 month is declining. And so now what we're getting is we're getting the front end of the curves falling back, and the back end of the curve is rising. We got that 20-year back over 4.1. That's going to continue pushing that spread further apart. Correlation's continuing to move down, but very, very slowly. And there's not a lot of leverage being packed on in tech. Our last big bull run, we went down really fast, and this is significantly slower, a lot more consolidation. So the options chains on tech, aren't very strong because there's not as much long vol there. Carry trade started getting levered up again at the end of today, but all of these peaks on the 10-year and 10-year leverage are coincide with like moves up in the index, and moves down in vol. So they're still using this a lot to leverage up equities and SPX like vol shorting. The 6 months still kind of turning around, but pretty slowly. The 3 month just falling off. That doesn't appear to be getting any better. And the more that falls off, the more we should see the forward yield on vol start to turn around. And if the back half of the yield curve really starts to move up, we should see that turn around pretty sharply. Bond vol's still falling off. Skew is at an all-time high. Market crash Monday? Maybe not, but possibly more volatile upside. That's interesting. So not a lot of tail risk hedging. Zero fear, right? 73.95% of the S&P over its 20-day moving average, and correlation in VIX between VIX cash VIX still rising 4 consecutive days now, where it's kind of moved up a bit. We're still really not seeing like VX or VIX fall significantly. It's kind of holding 16. This reminds me a lot of the period back in 2021, around May of 2021, where vol stayed pretty high and we had really steep index corrections that, well, we kept getting them, actually. This might be kind of similar to that. Yeah, it might be in a consistently higher volatility regime. Fed fund futures pricing in a bit more rate cuts in Jan today, but no macro news. This is just the spread moving around a bit. Anyway, that's about it for today. I will see you guys Sunday for the member stream at 12:30. I hope everybody enjoys their weekend. Later.